Namaste friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I would like to share another super healthy sweet of South Karnataka, Tambittu Unde or Chawal ke Laddu or rice laddu. Let us start with the recipe. Here I have taken 2 cups of brown rice. Wash it thoroughly till the water runs clear. Brown rice is rich source of dietary fiber, zinc, magnesium, iron, calcium, phosphorus and selenium. It is also rich with vitamin B complex, vitamin E and K. It contains antioxidants and flavonoids in abundance. Drain the water and spread it on clean cotton cloth for drying. If possible, sun dry it. Brown rice helps in weight loss, it aids in digestion, it maintains bone health and controls cholesterol. At the same time, grate half of dried coconut and keep it ready. Now rice is dried completely. Heat thick bottom pan on high flame, preferably iron pan is the best. Add dried rice little by little. Immediately rice starts popping. Allow it to pop completely without leaving hand. Once it is done, transfer it to a plate. Repeat the procedure with the left out rice. Once everything is done, allow it to cool. After complete cooling, transfer it to mixie jar little by little and make it fine powder and keep it ready. In that same pan, heat 2 cups of organic jaggery. Add 1/4 cup of water and bring it to boil. Boil it for 2 to 5 minutes. Once it gets one string consistency, just like this, add powdered rice. And immediately switch off the flame. Add grated coconut and cardamom powder. Now give a nice mix. This ball is a healthy snack for growing children. You can give it as an evening snack. After complete mixing, allow it to cool. When it is warm itself, pinch little and make balls like this. In this we are not using any oil or ghee, just lemon sized balls. Super healthy Tambittu Unde or Chawal ke Laddu is ready to serve. Eat healthy, live healthy. Thank you for watching.